Brad Bisnett here with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Richard from Arthur Products. Richard, tell me a little bit about what Arthur Products does.
Well, Arthur Products is a true manufacturer of nozzles. We get raw material at one end of our building, we manufacture the nozzle, we drill the nozzle, we ship it out the other end of the building.
Made in the USA.
Made in the USA, and all of it.
I was picking this one up earlier, and I noticed there's flexibility in this.
Yes, as a manufacturer, it gives us the options to meet people's needs. One of the needs were a centering device that did not get stuck or hung up inside a pipe. So what we developed with our background is a centering device that is flexible.
Okay.
It can be into broken pipe. It can conform to pipe that is irregular.
Because a lot of there's things I've seen on the market are it's a rigid plastic or it's steel.
Yes, sir.
If it's stuck, it's stuck.
Yes, it's either metal, plastic, or aluminum, all of which will be stuck.
Okay, excellent. And how about from flexibility, let's talk about adaptability, because when I walked by this here, I saw this. This is not your nozzle, is it?
This is not our nozzle, but we enhanced this nozzle with our accessory device, which is a centering device. It takes it from the bottom of the pipe, puts it into the center of the pipe.
Excellent. And you guys are, like you said, you're doing all this.
This is all in-house.
All in-house. You guys are a true manufacturer. So let's say that plumbers and drain cleaners out there, these guys are running into all kinds of problems. So they've got all kinds of ideas on what might help them do a better job. If I call you with my idea, can you help me out?
Sure. I can give you a good example. A customer called us several years back. He just purchased a brand new camera, and cameras were very expensive.
Sure.
Got it stuck inside the pipe. So we went back, got the guys together, took one of our existing nozzles that was on the shelf. We actually manufactured it to have stainless steel wires on it.
Okay.
We call it Sputnik for obvious reasons. The wires retracted as the nozzle went down the pipe.
Yeah.
When it got past the camera, we turned the water off, the wire sprung out, was able to entrap the camera, and he was able to retrieve his camera that he just purchased.
And when he called you one day, when did you guys ship out that solution for him?
He called us that morning, and it shipped out that night.
The same day?
The same day.
You guys just rallied the troops, came up with a solution, shipped it out same day?
Absolutely. If I'd have lost my camera, I want somebody to do the same thing for me.
So if someone's got an idea, where can they find more information about Arthur Products?
You can do one of two things. You can visit our website, arthurproducts.com. You can call us on the phone, 1-800-322-0510. One of us will answer the phone. There's three of us that man the phones all the time.
Thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you, sir.